Perfect Pinpoint Flame. Our durable weed burner torch provides the perfect pinpoint flame for small jobs around the home and garden. The inner flame length is 3.93 in, and the outer flame length is 11.8 in, which perform better than similar products on the market. Also, you can regulate the pressure and the intensity of the flame with its control knob. The amazing flame control and narrow torch head allows you to effectively treat smaller areas and spots. Built to last, we use durable solid brass tip, which will be more than 3 times more durable than iron tip of other products. Constructed of heavy-duty powder coated, these propane torches are resistant to rust and corrosion. It greatly extends the service life of our weed burning machine, which is the first choice for gardeners. Safe and effective. The 31 long reach can-like shaped weed torches keep you at a safe distance, and the vapor torch is made of lighter aluminum, which lightweight build and easy balance design allows you to weed safely and comfortably, and avoiding unnecessary bending and crouching while landscaping, and the chances of sustaining burns or other injury when igniting a grill or campfire. Greatly improve efficiency and save working time. Outdoor garden torch. The outdoor garden weeds torch is perfect for spot weeding on sidewalks and walkways, between garden rows, or around hardwood trees, along fences and borders. Beyond burning weeds, you can use the garden torch to melt ice off steps, heat metal casings, sterilize animal cages, remove paint from non-flammable objects, and more. Eco-friendly. Pure physical operation works more efficiently. Our pre-assembled self-lighting garden torch also have 1-year unlimited warranty. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. Perfect Pinpoint Flame. Our durable weed burner torch provides the perfect pinpoint flame for small